Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a custom ringtone and a custom notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So to set a custom ringtone or a notification sound, the first thing you need to do is download it from the internet onto your Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, or if you have it on your phone, you need to transfer it to your device. Then to set a custom ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, we will go into settings, then you will go into sound and vibration here and go into ringtone. On the top right you will see a plus sign. Select the plus sign, and now all the mp3s, any custom WAV file which is present on your Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is going to show up over here. So here it is. Let us say we want Toe Jam to be the custom ringtone on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. All I have to do is select it. It is going to play out the custom ringtone for you, and once you're happy with the results, all you have to do is select done on the top right. Once you do that, bam, here it is. My custom ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is Toe Jam. Now, what if you want to set a custom notification sound? Again, same thing, go into settings, sound and vibration, notification sound. You will notice you do not have the plus sign on the top right. So what do? Go to your home screen, open your application drawer, tap on the search bar on the top, and herein you need to type in files. Once you type in files, you will see an application called my files. We're going to open this. This is the main page of my files. Let us go into internal storage. Herein you need to go to the folder where you have your custom notification sound downloaded, or where you transferred it. If you downloaded it from the internet, it will be in the download folder. That is where we're going to go. And let us say I want the sensor beep to be my custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I'm going to press and hold on this, and then make sure it is selected. You have the check mark on it, and then on the bottom you get a bunch of different options. We're going to say copy, and now it is telling me that one item is copied. I can actually copy it here, but I do not want that. Tap on the search icon besides the three dots, and herein you need to search for notifications. Once you search for notifications or type in the word no, in the internal storage we have a folder called notifications. We will go into that, and we're going to say copy here. So we have successfully moved the sensor beep mp3 file into the notifications folder on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Now we can go to our home screen, go back into settings, sound and vibration, notification sound, and you should see your sensor beep over here. Here it is. Sensor beep is showing under the custom one, and once I select it, it is going to play it out. And then if I go back, my custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is the sensor beep, and the custom ringtone which we've set on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is Toe Jam.